Hello everyone, my name is Randy Arsandi Pranata and I'm actually a second semester student at University Prima Indonesia in Medan. Today I'd like to share you with one of my personal recommendation for a travel destination in North Sumatra. It's a place that's well known for its cool weather, fresh atmosphere, and unique local culture. This assignment is part of my final project, and I truly hope you enjoy the short journey I'm about to present. So now, let's take a closer look at Berastagi. Right here, in the heart of Berastagi, we see the vibrant town center full of life and activity. From above, you can spot the main roundabout and the iconic monument that stands as a symbol of local pride. The streets are busy with cars, people, and small shops, showing how active this town is, even in the cool mountain air. Colorful rooftops, local markets, and food stalls give a glimpse into daily life in Brastagi. This view also reminds us how the town has grown while still keeping its traditional charm. Whether you are here to explore, relax, or just enjoy the local culture, Brastagi welcomes everyone with its warmth and simplicity. That's all for my short recommendation video about Berastagi. I hope this gives you a better idea of what makes this place so special and worth visiting. Thank you for watching and I appreciate your time and attention. See you next time.